Okay, let's revisit the choke linkage situation again. So first of all, let's just read what it says on the fairing. Speed control. Pull up to run, push down to stop. Which kind of implies that it's the throttle, not the choke. So this has been my bugbear, the choke. And just to reiterate, we know it's the choke because it says it is. Now, I couldn't work out how to connect the linkage. Now, I don't know how well you can see there, but there's another hole. That must be for the throttle. You see that? So, and where that linkage sits lines up perfectly. So I think that's what's going on. So let's try assembling that, putting everything back together. So we're going to put the, first of all we'll start off with putting the fairing around the pull start. Let's do that. Excellent. So all on. Now let's put the heat recirculator box thingy back on. Looking good. Now let's put this fairing back on. Obviously just have the throttle linkage poking through. So again, this is all just finger tight for now. Just so we get an idea, but obviously we'll have to tighten to the correct torque and all that. Okay, put the thing back on. And just check it operates down. Shit. Obviously there's something else I'm missing to hold that on. Well, that's what I think it is.